What's up, everybody? Got a little lower lake trip with my buddy Jeff from There You Go Fishing. Back at it. Haven't been out for a few weeks, but we're gonna look for that crappie. Maybe even do some bass fishing. Nice and cold mornings now. Had some rain, so we'll be on a few boats out here. I'm gonna start looking for them. See you in the water. All right, with my buddy Jeff out from Texas here, and we're gonna be looking for some crappie today.
How's it going, guys?
But I want you guys to make sure you go check out his page. What do you have now? You got the 6-inch, and then
So I got the 7-inch glide knocker, and then I'm coming out with the 8-inch. It'll be a silence bait, so it's called the silencer, and then coming out with 3.5-inch as well. So pretty stoked, excited to bring it to you guys. So should be coming soon.
yeah, but keep a lookout for those baits. I'll put a link to his page too, and they're freaking good and they're good price. That's the thing. All these like hype baits, couple $100. Dude, these things are affordable. You can buy multiple colors. Go grab a few of those guys. But all right, we're gonna try to find these crappie. All right, I got the baby crap. That one right off. Crappie boy. Nice one. All right, cool. Nice crappie, come on. All right, 15 minutes in, fish number one. Crappie number one. Got one. See if they're crappie or bass. Probably crappie, huh? Yeah. We got another guy. Oh, see, dude, follow me. He was a fat guy. That's a nice, healthy guy right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. This looks one bait. Oh, yeah. Got him. Swim bait. I got an extra one too if you want it. I think it's a bass. They're up there. We got a bass on the kite deck. Hold on, guy. Take it easy. Chase a little swim bait. It's like 30 of that one. Okay, I got my swim bait going right at him. Oh, that's got smoked. Yeah, that's got hit. You chase it and hit it. And now I got more chasing it. It's got we just got positioned right on. Oh, there. Look at them all chasing it up. Look at them all. I had one. Oh yeah, baby. I love crappie. I love that swim bait though. Oh, that's a mega, dude. Freaking mega right there. It's got a position right on him, you know. And we can smoke them. They're aggressive. There's 4 of them chasing. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Let's go. All right, we got a little handful now. Just throwing multiple stuff. A little spoon, a little swim bait. Just following little schools around, dude. Don't cast yet, here. Let's get like within 30 or 40 feet. Yeah. So okay. Well, they're only 25. So yeah. Oh my God, it's a mega. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh my God, that's a mega, dude. Freaking mega skull. Oh, yeah. Yo! A couple! That's a fatty. Look at that sucker. Here, get up here. Try to stand that school. They were pretty. Oh no.
Down there.
So that's 20 right behind the boat. Eee. Let's go. Oh yeah.
I've never seen my bait.
I got 3. I got a bunch fighting over mine. There you go. We'll get you on that school. We'll get you on that school. I just dropped that swim bait. The couple shot up. Oh yeah, baby. Slab City. Oh yeah, I love it. Getting that swim bait. That's a mega though. Woo. Eeh. Oh my god, that's a mega, dude. That's the most I've ever seen here. Go, go, go. Come on. Got one. Alright, maybe not. Crappie king. Oh yeah. This one I think I have it. 6 pound test. Guys, keep getting on that big school. Alright. Guy on there, fish him. We'll fish him 2-inch. Healthy guy. Yeah. Alright, another one on that. Little fishing bait. Alright, cool. Downsize a little bit.
It's probably not big enough.
Oh, there's no size limit.
Oh, there isn't?
Yeah. Oh, I saw him come up.
I'm gonna send you a gift card, dude.
Freaking ropes. This is where these guys sit, though. That's why. Oh, it's got one. They love that swim bait, dude. See? They can't get enough of it. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. Doubles finally. See how we changed the angle on them?
Yeah.
It just changed. Oh.
You know what? I gotta graduate first. My initiation.
We got doubles. My hands
Sort
bleeding.
of. Sort of.
He'll be a.
So as I was saying, my swim bait comes in 8-inch. Looks realistic. It's just like a crappie.
Let's go. Yeah, I saw him. There's Jeff's right there. He's like, don't mind if I do.
Better.
Yes, sir. Nice one. Ooh, nice healthy guy. Yes. I got one too. The little guy.
Yeah, fires on
Yeah, around my bag there, the side, left side of my bag. Doubles. Swim bait. Spoon. You choked it, huh?
both.
I love that stinger. Yeah, they're like behind us. It's actually a school one though. Nice guy. Yeah. Got one. Let's try to stay on him for you. Or it might be. Bass? Crappie.
Crappie?
Yep. Oh, it's a thick one, dude. Keep working that motor, staying on those suckers. Oh yeah. See that big one. Quick update, we're just chasing schools of crappie around all over the place. There's on the move though, starting to get a little breezy, but we're getting a few here and there. There's tons of them, so that's the ticket right there. Oh, look at my little swim bait. Oh, you're going after. Oh, look at him chasing. It'd be a bass. Oh, they're aggressive too, dude. Yeah, that's what we want. I think that's bass. No, maybe not. Nope. Slabs. I love that freaking Castaic, huh? Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Doubles. Doubles. Heck yeah, dude. See how much more aggressive they are in that school? It's so different. Yes. Let's go. Little swim baits. Come on. Ah. I was just playing with my phone. You see that? I don't know. I haven't caught a bass in so long. No. I was pulling them, I think, with the trolling motor. Yeah. Not funny. I was like, what the heck? I think just because the boat was moving, you know. Ah, bleeder too. Gosh darn it. And about it. I'm getting bit. Got one. Finally, a little thicker one, huh? All right, cold guy. Hammer the Castaic. Bass. Best one of the day for the bass. So I just want to do a little outro. Forgot to do it at the lake, but that's fun. Yeah, fishing out there with my buddy Jeff. Always a good time. We always seem to smash the crappie and just do good when we fish together. But just kept moving, finding schools all over. Some were more shallow than others, some deeper, some just hanging on different little things, bushes, random spots. But yeah, that was the key. Just keep moving around and mixing up the baits. The little swim bait, spoon, Edwin's Fish'em little 2-inch was working too. So it was a good time. But yeah, this crappie are schooled up right now. See how that bite lasts, how long that bite lasts. But it's fun. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.